I'll show you what I'm going to do. I can't put this job off any longer. I've got to do it. So, the book says simply remove connector must be under this lock, so I've got to take this lower one off as well. What's it lay down there? Okay, so I've done that. If we come in here and have a look, so I've drilled the end off. That comes out. Hopefully that comes off. Right, that we discard. Because we've got, and we always check the new one against the old one.
After taking it all apart.
After taking it all apart, hopefully we'll be able to use some of this, some of this footage that you've shot to find out how the bloody hell you put it all back together again. Right, I see, and that prices off of there, we reckon, yeah? Yep.
Yeah. That's all we needed to replace.
That was all that to do that, but we haven't put it back together again yet. I've got a centre punch I ground a funny angle on, which hopefully will do that, and then finish it off with that, but hold it while I'm doing it 'cause I'm banging. This is a punch for removing roll pins that are brake calipers on Vauxhalls, I think, so that's going to fit in there quite nicely. Then I put that in there like that, so that as I'm tapping, and it will only be tapping, all the weight goes down through into the vise. Scary stuff this, isn't it? Because I bet you can't get the, well, you won't get this pin on its own, will you? You won't flog us a pin on its own.
Spade!
And it has to be done so that that little rod will come back through it again. Hang on, was that rod? No, that's not. That goes through later, doesn't it? Yes, right, okay, sorry.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm bimbling. So that goes there like that. Whoops. Let's see if it's starting to go. Not really, no. I think I need a bigger hammer. Okay, I wonder if I put a cut in it, it'll start to flare better.
What do the instructions say?
Simply, undo using pliers, press the new plastic spring leg into the switch arm, install the new rivet, lay the head end of the rivet on a sturdy anvil and peen over the opposite end by hitting with a ball peen hammer.
Okay, we'll keep doing it then.
Oh.
To hit it harder.
I don't know what the plier bit was. No. Right. I reckon that's pretty good. Do not hit this piece when you're doing it. I've managed not to because that's armour mate full barking, isn't it? Because it's only some sort of die-cast metal and I don't think you can take it, Captain. Right, octopus time. So if any of you are doing this and you wonder what goes where, that bigger spring goes on there. Okay?
No, we didn't see all this. Okay, so yeah, got it.
Yep, got it. Whoops. This piece goes in there like that. Okay? And then the spring keeps it in tension with these little contacts. We then have a spring that goes in there. Is that the right one? That pushes the light flasher back once you flashed it. That goes against this piece with a washer on it that makes contact in there with another little spring in there to push it back. Okay, so that spring goes in there. That goes in that way round so that the contacts make contact across those two contacts in there. Okay, with the spring in, and then it'll sort of do that in between. So I'm not going to let you watch me do this because this is going to be painful. That is holding in there, but this is going to be a monstrous job. Come back when it's done, several days later, in fact. evening, so we're gonna. It's days later, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna test the light. Second time round. I've got to connect up some more wires down here. Right, let's have a look. Ooh. Brown to brown, yeah?
Yeah.
Not necessarily brown to brown. What colour's that one? Purple. Purple. Then if this does work, I'm going to, whoops. Oh, why's that done that? That's incorrect. No. Something's gone wrong again. Hang on, now they won't go off. Why won't they go off?
Which one did you just touch? You ain't got the ignition on, have you?
No. So that's incorrect.
Unplug a few more.
I'm going to have to unplug a few more, otherwise the battery's going to go down, isn't it?
Yeah, it's off.
Right, why is that? What's the brown one?
Headlights.
No, it's not well. No, because the headlights go on even with the ignition off. See? That's main beam. That's stuck.
You're not doing as well as you hope then, are you?
No. Well, they feel a lot better.
And I would say that was poor.
Right, so here we go. We've gone round the corner. No. And we finished going left. And it's cancelled.
It has cancelled.
Right, now then we're going to go right. Here we go. Ready?
Here we go.
Going right.
Our lives are so exciting.
Yeah. Into
they?
Glebe Avenue.
Alright, and then...
Going right, now we're going to go straight. And it
Okay.
stopped. I think the sweet smell of success, that one.